Andrea, who are you talking to? Andrea, who are you talking to? Let me see. Andrea?
What?
Who are you talking to?
Myself.
Let me see.
Oh, I don't hear myself anymore.
Oh, what happened? Battery died?
Hello, hello, hello. Hey!
You hung up on yourself?
Why did I hang up? But this one's still going. Oh. No, we have to try that again. It's not going.
Maybe she just doesn't want to talk to you.
I have service. 2 bars.
What you do to me?
It took a while. It sounds so weird.
No, what did they say about laughing at your own jokes?
Why was 6 a rate of 7? 7, 8, 9.
You're so wild, oh my god. Alright, that's enough.
This person is funny.
That's enough for one day. Alright, peace.